fuck. Something fell off. Man, something fell off. I actually thought it looked kind of funny.
Blew a tire.
The tire looked like it was going off. Not as, yeah, that wasn't.
I never was gone.
Look at the bumper though. It's dragging on the ground. Kurt! Kurt!
Your bumper!
Oh, holy fuck. Kurt, your bumper's fucked.
On the ground.
That was dragging. I knew something was dragging.
Yeah, that would be what was dragging. Oh, fuck.
Let's make a video where we tow a rope on the bumper and I haul it off the Corolla.
No.
Hey, hold that bumper up.